In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or change the background music on your Facebook story. So I have here my Facebook story, and if I go ahead and play it, you'll hear it has background music.
It might not.
That is it. It has the background music. However, I'd like to go ahead and remove this music or change it to a whole new music. So to remove this music, it is quite easy. Just head over here and click on it, and then click on this. We have the pause option here. You can pause it, but if you want to remove it completely, go over here and choose delete option here, and then it will be removed from your. I'll tap on remove, and now it is gone. Should you want to change or select another music, you can still come here under music and then choose any preferred song that you like to add, and we have quite a number of them here. Choose any, and then once you select it, it will be added to your story. So that's how you remove or change your background music from your Facebook story. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.